Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to export a database in Notion. Start by navigating to the database you want to save and click on the three dots located in the top right corner. From there, select the Export option. A configuration window will appear, allowing you to choose your desired file format, such as PDF, HTML, or Markdown and CSV. Next, determine which database view to include, selecting either the current or default view. You should also choose the specific content you want to export, whether you want everything included or prefer to leave out files and images. You have the option to include subpages and create dedicated folders for them as well. Once your settings are ready, click Export to begin the process. Name your file and hit Save to download it to your computer. As you can see, the database is now available in the Downloads folder. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.